Did you know you could retire wealthy with over $200,000 without sacrificing your lifestyle? If you follow this over 40 retirement plan I'm about to show you, in this video I'll walk you step by step through how to retire rich, even if you're starting later in life. Stay until the end, because the difference between getting by and retiring comfortably could come down to the plan you start today. Now imagine this. You begin at 40 with just $2,000 invested, and you automatically add $100 every paycheck, about $200 a month. At an average 8% annual return by 65, you'd have over $200,000. Increase that to $300 a month, about $285,000. Push it to $500 a month, almost $475,000, all from steady, automatic investing. That's the power of starting now. Let's build that plan for the US, Canada, and abroad. Step 1. Mindset and Setup, your 20-minute reset. First, shift your mindset to wealthy. Wealthy thinkers play the long game, no rushing, no panic. Think like an investor, not a spender. Every dollar you earn is a worker. Put it where it earns you more. A. Quick money scan. Income. What's your real monthly take-home? Spending 90 days. Label each item. Essentials equals housing, groceries, insurance. Optional equals restaurants, streaming, hobbies. Leaks equals forgot I was paying this, late fees, random dailies. Cut leaks first. Freeing even $100 to $500 a month becomes your investment fuel. B. Open the right investment accounts. United States, top 3 accounts, 401k, 403b, TSP, take the employer match first, that's free money. IRA, traditional or Roth. Choose based on taxes, high bracket now, traditional, expect higher later, Roth. Taxable brokerage. Unlimited flexibility once you've filled the tax advantage space. Bonus. HSA equals triple tax advantage if you qualify. Canada, top 3 accounts. TFSA, tax-free growth and withdrawals. Start here. RRSP, tax-deductible contributions. Great if you're in a higher bracket. Non-registered brokerage. After RRSP and TFSA are full, use this for extra investing. C. Flip the switch. Set up an automatic transfer from each paycheck to your investment account, even $100 to $200 a month to start. Schedule auto buys so emotions never block progress. You just built your foundation, reviewed income plus spending, eliminated leaks, opened the right accounts, and automated your flow. That's what investors do. Step 2. The 4-number spending plan. Now that your mindset and accounts are in place, let's control the cash flow. Forget complicated spreadsheets. You only need 4 numbers that run your entire financial life. Category percent of take-home pay. Purpose fixed costs 50 to 60%. Housing, utilities, insurance, debt minimums. Investing 10% plus. Your future non-negotiable. Savings 5 to 10%. Emergency fund or short-term goals. Guilt-free spending 20-35%. Fun, travel, hobbies, family. Need more room to invest. Negotiate your phone or internet bill. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook one extra meal at home. Invest that saved $30 each week. Small moves, big impact. Step 3. Automate. Everything willpower-proof your money. Willpower fades, automation doesn't. When your system runs itself, wealth builds quietly. Auto transfer to savings or investment accounts each payday. Auto contribute to your 401k/RRSP or pension. Auto invest into your IRA/TFSA/Roth on schedule. Automation keeps emotion out and consistency in. Step 4, where each dollar goes, US and Canada breakdown. US order emergency fund, 3 to 4 months expenses. Employer match in 401k/TSP equals free money. Pay off high interest debt, 10% plus. Tax advantaged accounts, 401k, 403b, TSP, IRA, HSA. Then taxable brokerage. Popular brokers, Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, M1 Finance, SoFi Invest. Canada order, emergency fund, employer RRSP match, pay off high interest debt. RRSP, TFSA, non-registered brokerage. Popular platforms, Wealth Simple Trade, Questrade, TD Direct, RBC Direct, Scotiabank ITRADE. Step 5, a portfolio you'll actually stick with. At 40, your advantage is consistency. Pick something boring enough to win. Option A, One Fund Solution. US, Target Date Index Fund, Vanguard 2050, Fidelity Freedom 2050. Canada, All-in-One ETF, VGRO XEQT XBAL. Automatic rebalancing, zero stress. Option B, 3-fund DIY mix. US, total US stock plus international plus bond. Canada, Canadian Index ETF plus US Index ETF plus bond ETF. VFV XAW ZAG. Typical allocations: 40 to 80-20 stocks bonds, 50 to 70-30, 60, 60-40. If you're getting value from this video so far, take a quick second to hit the like button. It tells YouTube this content actually helps people like you. And if you're new here, subscribe. Because every week I share simple, realistic investing steps to help you build wealth faster. All right, let's get back to the plan. Step 6. Catch up without panic. No risky bets needed, just steady, rising contributions. 12-month ramp plan. Month 1. Get full employer match. Months 2 to 3 plus 1% contribution. Quarter 2 plus 1% again. Quarter 3 invest bonus or refund. Quarter 4 review and raise 1% more. If you're 50 plus US or 55 plus Canada, use catch-up contributions. Step 7. Grow income to grow investments. Cutting expenses helps. Earning more multiplies results. Negotiate salary, track wins, know market rates, ask confidently. Add side income, freelance, tutor, consult, sell skills online. An extra $500 per month invested can add hundreds of thousands by retirement. Step 8. Protect what you build. At 40 plus, defense matters as much as offense. Maintain your emergency fund. Review insurance. Term life, disability, home, auto. Update will and beneficiaries. Set rules. I don't time the market. I invest on schedule. Protect the machine that builds your freedom. Step 9. Taxes and smart withdrawals. US, high bracket now, Traditional 401k/IRA. Expect higher taxes later, Roth for tax-free withdrawals. Canada, high bracket now, RRSP. Lower bracket now, TFSA first. Retirement withdrawal order usually taxable, RRSP/401k, TFSA/Roth. Step 10. The mindset shift. It's never too late. Starting at 40, 45, or 50 still gives you 20 plus years of compounding. Focus on direction, not perfection. Automate your plan and let time do the work. Picture your 65-year-old self saying, "I'm glad I started back then." If you got value from this video, hit like and share it with someone who needs it. Comment below. How much are you investing per month right now, or what's your next goal? I read every comment personally, and before you go, watch how anyone can turn 10K into 100K safely. It shows exactly how to apply these same principles step by step. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave. And remember, earn more, save smarter, and invest wisely.